Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Samsung leather cover for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So for those of you that saw my unboxing, you already know what a beast this second-gen foldable phone is. 7.6-inch internal display, which is opening up the camera app right now, 6.2-inch external display, 5 cameras. You want to protect this thing. So I'm not saying this is the best form of protection, but at $80 US, it is a very clean form, and we'll see how it actually fits and works. Now let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Looks like we have a seal right here, which I could attempt to cut. See if we can get it open. Don't want to damage anything. Whoop, like my table included. Looks like I did get it open, but it looks like I may have made a hole in the table too. Either way, let's get this thing open. Now it is just a piece of leather for the back, but the reason being is that this device does have a full screen 6.2-inch display on the front. So realistically speaking, what you're going to want to do is get yourself a screen protector. Now, in terms of the internal screen, Whitestone Dome did reach out about a screen protector for what I'm assuming is the exterior, not the internal, but I'll find out from them. They are going to be sending something my way. And I am waiting on the Samsung official Aramid kickstand case that also is a piece like this, a single piece, but gives you a kickstand, so when the phone is actually open, you can sit it up in a tablet mode, which I think is awesome. What I can tell you about this is that the look and feel is good. The slipperiness that you have with the phone is essentially handled with something like this, but it also feels a little uneven because we have this protection on one side and then nothing on the other. So this certainly isn't a case for everyone, and it is expensive at $80 US, but depending on how low profile you're looking to go, this might be the right fit for you. And it does seem like the cameras are sufficiently protected. If you can't see there, they do seem basically flush once this case is on. There's a little bit of a lip, so they're a little recessed, and that's what you want. It doesn't cover up any of the ports, you know, charging, microphone, anything like that. After all, it is an official case from Samsung, so you don't expect it to do anything. And yeah, it looks good, feels good. Not sure it's going to be what I stick with personally, but I did want to have something on day one when this arrived. And so that's why you're looking at the Samsung official leather case. I will be covering more accessories for this. Like I said, the Aramid kickstand one, hopefully sooner rather than later. I did have to order that from an international site because those things sold out so well, and this phone has been selling so well. I mean, more than twice the anticipated pre-orders. But that covers it. I will do a follow-up on the leather cover. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. And please stay safe. Later.